Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to change Wise phone number. So guys, as you can see, we are on the official website of Wise. So from here guys, first thing that you will do is simply log in into your Wise account, and if you're opted for a biometric authentication, you can do it with your new SIM. And if you get a text message to authenticate, you need to make sure you still have your old SIM on your phone. And now, once you have logged in, guys, just go to your details from your profile name or icon in the top corner. And from there, just simply select edit. And after that, put in your new phone number. And from there, Wise will send you an email with a link to change your number. And from there, just simply go to your email. And from there, just click on the link. And after that, just simply upload a selfie with ID. And after Wise have confirmed your identity with a photo of yourself holding your ID, you'll be able to enter your new phone number. And after that, guys, just simply put your new SIM in your new phone and they will send you a code to that number. And after that, just simply follow the steps to register your new number for two-step verification. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!